What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm going to show you my Mavic 3 drone being attacked by birds. So here's some stills from the video that I've saved, but I'll show you the video of the birds attacking the drone now, so it'll be quite funny.
What are they doing? They're not actually attacking it. I think they're experiencing the wind that it pushes down and like seeing that as a fun thing. Very interesting.
The reason why the drone was hovering, well it appeared to be hovering, was because I was doing a time lapse, and this is the time lapse. And you will see that there's birds in this time lapse non-stop, just popping in the frame. If you pause the video, you'll be able to see it even more, or if you slow it down. But yeah, they decided to swoop my drone the whole time, but they didn't actually touch it. So I just let it do the time lapse, and they think they had some fun. After all of that filming, I think the drone needed a little break, so I've let it have a little rest on my bed, as you can see here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Going to be doing some more drone compilations with some awesome footage around Tasmania and Sydney, so that'll be coming soon. See you all in the next one. Lens Addict out.